Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a NavBar with HTML and CSS. First let's begin with the HTML structure. In our NavBar we will have a brand logo and for buttons. We will use CSS to style our NavBar. First, let's make the design for our foundation. Let's style our brand logo. We will make it change its color when we hover with our mouse. Now let's style the menu. We also need to style the buttons on our NavBar. Let's make them a hover effect. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe.